What up, what up, what up? How's it going? Welcome to another episode of Reminisce and React. We are now in episode 8. Episode 8. Thanks for joining me for this long. I'm your host, Majid and Dairy. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Majid and Dairy. And you can also follow me on my 2 Instagram pages, Fame Film Agency and Fame's Comedy Spot BH. For those of you who are thinking, maybe there isn't, but for those of you who are wondering, am I still in the sketch comedy game? Yes, I am. I have done 2 so far in this month, and more are to come shortly. I just want to release them one by one, starting by mid towards the end of September, so for the sake of consistency. Anyway, this is the season that's focusing on the 90s. We've got 2 more episodes after this before we move on to another Reminisce and React, and we'll choose another decade. So let's check out the random bar and see what we got in store for today. Naughty by Nature. Oh, damn, that's a good one. That is a good one. What? I think that song came out in 92. Wow, 92 was a good year. 92 was when Quentin Tarantino released his first film, Reservoir Dogs. Basic Instinct, that was a big hit. Bram Stoker's Dracula, A Few Good Men, My Cousin Vinny, Lots of the Mohicans, Scent of a Woman, Unforgiven. Damn, that was a good year. 92, I was 13. Damn. I'm not old, but I ain't young no more either. You know, so I'm kind of feeling it. So anyway, we're going to be listening to Hip Hop Hooray. Hip Hop Hooray was like the national anthem of hip-hop rap songs, man, when that came out. It was so iconic. It was so huge. Every club and every bar was playing them. You're probably going to ask me, how do I know when I was only 13? Well, one of the advantages of being Middle Eastern, being from Middle Eastern descent, is that you always look older than what you really are. And since cell phones weren't very common in the day, the people who had cell phones were primarily businessmen. So I never had any ID. So what I would do is my brother would lend me his phone, because I had an older brother. He would lend me his phone, and I would walk to the club or the casino or anywhere that I'm not supposed to be allowed, because I was underage. And when the bouncers saw me that I had a phone in my ear, they didn't even question to ask me for ID. They just opened the doors and let me in. So that was a pretty cool time. And 13 years old at an 18 plus club, getting down. I wasn't drinking. I'm not stupid. I wasn't drinking any alcohol. I was the only one there drinking Diet Cokes. And just getting down to the music. I mean, that was terrific. And I'll never forget the first time a 28-year-old woman hit on a 13-year-old boy. Oh, did I have stories to tell when I went to school on Monday. Anyway, let's get to it and check out Hip Hop Hooray. Any second now. There we go. Nation! Oh, there they are. Stretch. Sitting on the hoop. It's like they're taking turns sitting on that thing. I live in top of hip hop. This is hip hop of today. I give props to hip hop, so hip hop hooray! Ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Hip hop hooray! Ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. You heard a lot about a brother gaining more ground, being Whoa.
who you believe in. For your funny reasons, even when I'm sleeping, you think I'm cheating. You said I know you miss a OPP man. Yo, PP man, won't only see me, man. You should've knew when I ain't hitting the step that I was with it a bit, not to consider the rep. Hey, I did your partner cause she's hot as a baker, cause I'm money by nature, not cause I hate you. You put your heart in the part of a part that spreads apart and forgot that I forgave when you had a spark. You try to act like something really big is missing, even though my name's graffiti written on your kitten. I love black women always, and disrespect ain't the way. Let's start our family today. Hip hop hooray, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Hip hop hooray, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop hooray. There's many hungry hip hoppers, one reason hip hop the top today. So word you heard, cause I ain't belling no hay, ain't chopping no crops, but still growing every day.
Ah, Queen Latifah.
From the sound, from the underground town, down a hill, Phil House, no town. Drown smiles the frowns, sat the crowns from clowns. Beat downs, a found on me, don't come around. Tippy tippy paws, since I creeping up, I eat 'em up. This styles are older than Lou Rawls. Beast of this one and that one, and then that's why I shout out, and I didn't miss one friend. Fools get foolish, neither them or Parker Lewis Lewis. You can have cruisers, shoes, and cans of tours. Some kitties start, I call me Sir too, looking for her crew. Any trick that this gets a curfew. I put on projects for boots, step through troops and leave proof. My problem solver, name is Whoop. I'm hitting woodies in a hoodie. Peace to Josette, Joe Bet, Jojo Janae, in every hood, G. That's right, my fight is ill. Peace next to LONS and Quest, nice and super Cypress Hill. I live in top of hip hop, this is hip hop of the day. I give props to hip hop, so hip hop hooray, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Hip hop hooray, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Smooth it out now.
Oh man. I wish one of the random stuff hit Queen Latifah one time. Because there are just so many songs from the 90s to do, man. I should have like a 30 episode season, not 10. Ah, skirmish. Was that Spike Lee? No, that couldn't have been. Man, they're rocking the hell out of those drums. Wow, well, there you have it. How cool was that? My God, did that take me back? Oh man, so many memories with that one. You know, I was living in Australia at the time, and my great uncle from Lebanon came and visited around 93, 94. And we picked him up from the airport, and we were playing this song. He doesn't speak or understand a word of English, but he was going, hey, oh, hey, oh. He was just loving it. That was so funny to see. I mean, like, to see a 70-plus-year-old man, not a word of English, right? You never even heard of hip hop. We put this on, and he was loving it. He was just loving it. Didn't understand a word they were saying, and he was just all day going, hey, oh, hey. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Thanks for watching. That was a great reaction. You know, like, even though I'm doing this stuff random, if there's anything from the 90s, classic stuff that brings you memories that you want to see me react to and discuss, you know, put it on the comment section. I'll definitely take it under advisement. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and peace out, y'all. Hip hop hooray. Ho.